Yes. Dr. Mindy in the house. All right.
I appreciate that.
The carnivore diet.
Because of what we eat.
Honestly, you've really touched my heart.
Okay, here, I know you've gotten this question. I've been doing keto forever and I'm gaining weight. Why is that?
Well, I would focus not on weight loss in the beginning because the body does not lose weight to get healthy. It gets healthy to lose weight. The reason the number on the scale fluctuates is numerous, right? If you have a monthly cycle, I've seen women actually retain more water. It'll show up on the scale. You work out, you're sore from workout, you retain more water, it'll show up on the scale. Too many people put their worth on the number on the scale. It drives me nuts. It really does.
Agreed. Yep.
And I know it's important to get the weight down and get to your goal weight, but the body doesn't work that way. You got to get healthy first. So what I recommend is give it a good 7 weeks of a good effort, following the protocols, pay attention to non-scale victories. How do your clothes fit? How are your energy levels? What about your skin? Do you have more confidence? Maybe get some body fat done, your measurements, and then step on the scale for 7 weeks, and you're going to be in the right direction. Now, if you don't see the scale budge, even after 7 weeks, going back to before, for the person who can't get into ketosis, there has to be an underlying stressor. Toxicity could be the number one thing here, because when your body is very smart, it wants to survive. That's the number one priority. And if it knows it has all these toxins in your fat cells, and if you're going to shrink and burn those toxins, and those toxins will go into your bloodstream, that could hurt you. So in order to protect you, it could slow down the fat loss. So you got to explore toxicity there.
Yeah, well said. What do you think of exogenous ketones?
I think there's a time and place for them. I would use them personally for myself if I'm going on an airplane, like before the airplane. I've seen some research that it helps with the radiation. Dom D'Agostino talks about that. I would take it after the airplane, maybe for like a brain performance hack. If I want to be sharp for Mindy right here on the Resetters podcast, I could have taken it.